Hello and welcome to What's It Like. Today you'll be joined by myself, Darius, and we are going to be checking out Gaucho in Sloane in London. Now this channel is all about experiencing and experimenting with all different kinds of things, and today you're going to be checking out hopefully some of the finest steak going. Currently en route. You getting on camera or not?
Don't think so.
We got a camera
Can
shy.
get part of me, but
Part of you? Which part?
I don't know, on the back. You're not gonna put this on. With the socks on.
Ankle socks. Ankle socks.
So all our beef comes from Argentina. It's 100%
Yep.
Aberlour Angus, free range and grass fed. In the middle we have our four main cuts.
Yep.
First one is sirloin or chorizo. Second one is the ribeye, rancho.
Yep.
This one is the fillet or lomo,
Nice.
and the last one is the ram.
Ooh, very nice.
The one on the side is called tira de ancho. It's 500 grams of ribeye, opened up and basted with chimichurri.
Literally just got the bread. Yep, looks pretty good. Looks like bread to me. So let's dig in. Oh look, and some chimichurri sauce. Poking in on that. Oh yes, chimichurri. Never had it before, but my goodness does it sound great. Chimichurri on bread. Oh, it's leaking through. Gotta take a bite, quick. What a sweet chili sauce. Mixed with the olive oil. On bread. If you're allergic to dairy, this is perfect. So, Gaucho, we meet with a sirloin steak. Let's do this. Moist.
It's moist.
Cooked just right for a medium rare. Got good flavour in there. You know it's like naturally seasoned, you know, like naturally flavoursome meat. So, just finished the meal. It was... So here it is. This is the grilled pineapple with honey and almonds. Juicy pineapple. And the almonds are just a nice touch to go with the two. So yeah, nice little dessert here. Couldn't have the yogurt, didn't have dairy free. Shame. So just eating steak, and we're gonna go and buy some socks now.
George Socks, a revolutionary new concept in outerwear that combines the cold, uninterested demeanor of George with the warmth and familiarity of socks.
I'm not sure if socks buying usually follows after eating steak, but today it may well do. Currently en route to the Shard. It is pretty cold outside, hence why the scarf is still on. We should be there in a few minutes, so yeah, I look forward to getting there. Don't mind the yellow thing behind me, but right now I'm literally staring at the Shard. Finally made it to this place, heard a lot about it. I'm looking forward to getting inside, having a drink, having a look at the view. So we are going to Aqua Shard. That's cool. God knows what that is though. I don't know where we are now actually. Yep, guessing that's the Shard.
That's good.
This is the bar area. Huh? The bar. Hopefully we can get a seat. It's looking pretty busy here, so let's check it out. I'm not sure if these guys are right on the edge, like right on the edge sitting with their afternoon tea. Let's see if we can get a drink. I think this is all like, must be dinner. Oh, that's a cool view though. Here we are, at a ridiculously high level to finish off what I think is a fun day in London. So let's start with Gaucho. So we went for 2 courses. We got lunch. We thought, okay. And as you saw the different cuts of meat. So anyway, we decided to go for the sirloin. I felt like I have had better steaks, and I felt like maybe the steak was a little bit tough. The chips that accompanied the steak, they were okay, you know, they were a little bit soggy. And then obviously we finished off with the dessert, which was the pineapple, grilled pineapple with some honey and some almonds. Service was great, cannot fault the service. Attentive, not too much, friendly, very welcoming. I wouldn't say it was like a mind-blowing steak, which I've had before, I must say. I would definitely recommend it and I would give it a go, but you know, maybe set the bar at a kind of low level and then you'll go there and probably really enjoy it. If you're a steak connoisseur, then you'll be able to see through, even if you don't even set a bar, you'll see through that immediately. I would give that experience let's go for a 3.5 stars out of 5. 4, the food would have had to have been great. I'm giving it a 3.5 because I think the service took it up to 3.5. I think to give it to a 4, the food would have had to have been really nice, like delicious with that service. I would have given it a 4. Anyway, that's Gaucho. Great service, may I say, great service. Nice ambiance, great decor, really nice in that respect. So yeah, 3.5 stars, there you go. And yeah, I'm clocking out now with this lovely view.
That's